You are drifting, not falling, not flying, just existing, suspended in a silence so complete it feels intentional. There is no up here, no down, only distance measured in light years and time measured in despair. This is not a journey to beautiful nebulae or glowing galaxies. This is a descent into the darkest places in the universe. Regions where light weakens, meaning erodes, and the cosmos reveals how indifferent it really is to your existence. On a cosmic scale, darkness is not the absence of light. It is what remains after light has failed. You begin far from stars, so far that even the night sky would feel crowded compared to this place. You are drifting through intergalactic space, the vast abyss between galaxies, where distances stretch beyond comprehension. Millions of light years of near-perfect emptiness, one atom per cubic meter, sometimes less. Here, light travels endlessly, often without ever finding an eye or a surface or a purpose. Photons fired from ancient stars cross this void, only to fade into irrelevance. No witness, no destination, forgotten. The universe is mostly this, not stars, not planets, but emptiness. And as you float here, you realize something unsettling. The cosmos does not rush to fill silence, it preserves it. Ahead of you, the void thickens. A shadow within a shadow. This is a dark nebula, a cold, dense cloud of gas and dust, so opaque it devours starlight itself. Unlike glowing nebulae that give birth to stars, these regions suffocate light before it can escape. You drift into one. Visibility collapses. Stars vanish. Direction loses meaning. Inside, dust grains scatter photons into nothingness. Light enters and does not return. This is not violent darkness. It is quiet, patient, smothering. Here, stars fail before they are born. On Earth, darkness ends with sunrise. Here, darkness is structural, permanent, indifferent. You feel small, not because something is watching you, but because nothing is. You emerge into a colder horror. A planet passes beneath you. No star warms it. No sunrise has ever touched its surface. This is a rogue planet, a world torn from its parent system, drifting alone through interstellar night. There may be trillions of them in the Milky Way, wandering without orbit, without purpose. Its surface is frozen solid, atmosphere collapsed, darkness uninterrupted for billions of years. If life ever existed here, it died silently, long before the universe noticed. You imagine standing on its surface. Above you, no sun, no stars visible through thick ice clouds, only black. not night, eternal night. A reminder that planets do not need destruction to become tombs. They only need to be forgotten.
Now, gravity tightens its grip. Space itself bends. Ahead of you spins a black hole. Not a hole, but a region where space-time collapses under its own weight. A place where gravity becomes absolute. You approach the event horizon. This is the boundary. Cross it, and the universe loses you forever. Light slows here, stretches, redshifts into oblivion. Time dilates until moments fracture. To an outsider observer, you never cross. To yourself, you fall endlessly. Inside, there is no darkness in the human sense. There is no sense at all. Information dies here. Causality breaks. The laws of physics whisper, then go silent. This is where light does not just disappear, it is erased, and the universe does not mourn.
You escape, or think you do, but something is wrong. Galaxies around you are moving, not randomly, not expanding away. They are falling toward something unseen. This is the Great Attractor, a massive region of gravitational influence hidden behind dense cosmic dust. You cannot see it directly, you only see its effect. Entire galaxy clusters drifting toward an invisible center. Darkness does not always announce itself with absence. Sometimes it reveals itself through control. You feel the pull, a reminder that much of the universe is not just dark, but unknowable. Structures too massive to observe directly. Forces that shape reality without ever showing their face. The cosmos does not explain itself. It moves on. Now you travel not through space, but through time. Trillions of years pass. Stars exhaust their fuel. Galaxies fade. Black holes evaporate. The universe expands until even particles forget each other. This is heat death, the final state of the cosmos, maximum entropy, no gradients, no energy left to do work, no light because there are no stars left to create it. Temperature approaches absolute zero. Time becomes meaningless, not because something ended, but because nothing happens anymore. This is darkness perfected, a universe still vast, but functionally dead. And in that final silence, the last photons drift endlessly, carrying memories of stars that no longer exist. You are not special here. You never were. The darkest places in the universe are not monsters waiting to consume you. They are reminders. That light is temporary. That warmth is rare. That meaning is something we create because the cosmos will not provide it. So as you return back to your small, fragile planet orbiting an unremarkable star, ask yourself, In a universe this vast, this silent, this indifferent, is the most terrifying darkness out there among the stars? Or is it the one we leave behind when we stop looking up?